one of these videos, huh? Yeah. Title and thumbnail of this video are not clickbait. After 5 years in color grading, I hit a ceiling that I just can't break on my own. So I'm shutting down my business, and let's talk about it. Firstly, I have a responsibility as a business owner. So to everyone who placed an order 2 months before this video goes live, you will get a 50% refund. And everyone who placed an order 1 month before this video goes live, you will get a full refund. My plugins and LUTs will of course continue to work for as long as they work until they eventually don't. However, I will not issue updates anymore. The good news is most of my plugins are now part of Emulate anyway. Emulate is the film emulation plugin we released a couple of months ago. So if you want to keep getting updates, then picking up Emulate is the way to go here. By the time this video goes up, you should have received an email with a discount code so you can pick up Emulate for just 89 bucks. I've been doing this for about 5 years now, and I'm so grateful for every one of you because without you, this couldn't be my actual job and my business. I learned so much along the way, and I can confidently say I wouldn't do anything differently. Though, that said, doing everything on my own became very exhausting. I'm supposed to be a content creator, an educator, a business owner, and the sole developer of my plugins. The more I learned on my journey, the higher my standards got. And since I need to do everything on my own, there is just no chance I can deliver on all ends equally. And by the way, I'm just exhausted by today's internet in general. Every freaking video you watch is an infomercial, and I'm so sick and tired of shoehorning my products into my tutorial videos. I don't want to do this anymore, and I don't want to be part of the problem. The thing is, color grading in video, and photo for that matter, are in desperate need of a revolution. And my whole career here on YouTube and on the internet in general is, this is bad, do it this way. So basically, I ended up making plugins out of necessity, and they were fine for the time, and they still are fine. But today, I do recognize and appreciate what it takes to build something truly revolutionary. I just can't do it on my own. So over the last couple of months, I got together with Max from Iridescent Color. He built some of the most powerful DCTLs for DaVinci Resolve I have ever seen. We believe the status quo of color grading needs to be challenged, as everything is a major clusterfuck, largely because most of the established tools and workflows are frankly just ass, and don't really appreciate the modern requirements we throw at them. And we believe it's time for revolution. This is why we founded a whole new company, Color. With Color, we will get high-end color science into your hands, but without the need for a decade of experience to take advantage of it. Starting with Final Cut Pro. Today, you can download an actual color space transform plugin for Final Cut Pro for free from our website. The link is in the video description. We will release a full high-end color grading solution for Final Cut Pro over the next couple of months, and believe me, you have never seen anything like it. So yeah, I'm aware of the irony. I just said that I hate infomercials, and then the next thing I do is shove a new Final Cut Pro plugin into your face. That is why we created dedicated YouTube channels for Color and Emulate, which means finally this very channel here can start to become my own little corner of the internet again. And even though I'm very happy about that, it will take a while until I start making videos here again, because I'm pretty busy building a whole new company at the moment. So yeah, the download link for the free Color Space Transform plugin for Final Cut Pro is in the video description. If you're a customer of mine, don't forget to check your inbox for the Emulate discount, and links to the Color and Emulate YouTube channels are somewhere here on the screen. Click on stuff, take care, see you soon, bye bye.